Hi everyone, today's our topic binomial distribution. Let's see the topic. Let us consider an experiment with only two possible outcomes. One outcome is called success and other is called failure. In binomial distribution, only two possible outcomes. One is called success and other is called failure. Success is denoted as P and failure is denoted as Q. Okay. Let the experiment be repeated a number of times. Experiment be repeated in n number of times. Let us consider that probability of success is P. The probability of failure is Q, that equal to 1 minus P. The probability of successes in n trials, the probability of successes in n trials is given by a probability function known as binomial distribution. Binomial distribution is denoted as P of capital X equal to R. Here R is successes. P of X equal to R equal to NCR P power R Q power n minus R. Here small n is number of trials, R is successes. R is successes, P is success, R is successes, P is success, probability of success, R is probability of successes, Q is probability of failure. Let's see here where n equal to number of trials, R equal to successes, P equal to probability of successes, Q equal to probability of failure. Let's see the properties of binomial distribution. Three properties: mean equal to n into P. Here n is number of trials, P is successes. Variance equal to NPQ. N is number of trials, P is successes, Q is failure. Next, standard deviation equal to square root of variance. Variance equal to NPQ, that equal to square root of NPQ. Let's see the example. A fair coin is tossed 5 times. Okay, here n is 5. Number of trials is 5. A fair coin is tossed 5 times. Find the probability of getting 3 heads. Here 3 is successes. Okay, probability of getting 3 heads. Find the probability of getting 3 heads and also find the mean and variance. Let's see the solution. Here n is 5. So probability when toss a coin, what is the probability of success? 1 by 2. Suppose we when I toss a coin, head appears. What is the probability? Favorable is 1, total is head tail, total is 1 by 2. So P equal to 1 by 2 and also failure equal to Q equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So when I toss a coin, probability of success P equal to 1 by 2, failure Q equal to 1 by 2. Here R is successes. So let's see the formula for binomial distribution. P equal to X equal to R equal to NCR P power R Q power n minus R. Here n is 5, number of trials, 5C3, R is successes, 5C3 into P is 1 by 2 whole power 3, 1 by 2, 5 minus 3. 5C3 can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 1 by 2 whole power 3 can be written as 1 by 8. 1 by 2 whole power 5 minus 3 can be written as 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 2 whole square can be written as 1 by 2. So 3 gets cancelled, 2 1 is 2 2's, 5 2's are 10 into 1 by 8 into 1 by 4. Finally 10 by 52. Final answer is 0.3. Okay, P of X equal to R equal to 0.3. Okay, next mean equal to, what is the formula for mean? Mean equal to n into P. Here n is 5, P value is 1 by 2, that equal to 5 by 2. Finally, mean value equal to 2.5, variance equal to NPQ, that equal to 5 into probability of success is 1 by 2, failure is 1 by 2. So finally, variance equal to 1.25. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you.